What's up, YouTube? This is my 2007 335i sedan. And now, doing a muffler delete. Got the first cut down, no problem. Just freestyling with, honestly, not even measuring. I don't even have the muffler delete yet. It's still on the way. I'm just doing it to get this out of the way. What's up, baby?
Love you.
Love you too. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut through this. It's pretty simple. You cut through, pick your spots, take off your 4 bolts, I believe, around, and it fucking drops. So right now I have them on Catless downpipe, secondary cats cut off. So all I'm running is the resonator, honestly. Yep. And yeah, should sound really good. Yeah, so if you can tell, doing it with this tool fucking sucks. Freaking worked out this morning. My arms are fucking already wrenched. Now I'm wrenching this pipe wrench. Exhaust cutter. It's brutal. It's brutal. So we're gonna get it done. Just like this side. For a few days. Just run it like this. Just for funsies. Until the muffler delete pipes go on and this project will be wrapped up. Now just to undo the bolts. Just like that, baby. Yes, sir. Now, if that ain't some satisfying ass shit, I don't know what is. Oh my god. Blade saber. And it's gonna sound beautiful. What's going on, YouTube? We got the muffler delete in from vrsf. Let's see what it looks like. So this is for the N54 2007 335i. Tips. should be good to go. What's going on YouTube? X3M Cash over here. Working on the 335 N54 today. Gonna wrap this muffler delete up. Just came in, so gonna slap it on. I'm not 100% sure how it goes in 100% correctly, but we're gonna get it in. Hopefully before sundown. Sun's going down, so yeah, probably just gonna put on a time lapse. It's pretty basic. Figure out where the pipes go and bolt it up. So yeah, I'm gonna throw you guys on the time lapse. Alright, sorry about that. My phone died. I had to put on the charger, but we got it going. These were somewhat of a pain in the ass. You gotta figure out the right direction to put this. It'll fit in these grooves perfect. I had to find another bolt for this, longer one. Fits in there perfect. Also figure out which direction. Gotta get rid of this. Same with over here. Figure it out, bolt it on, call it a day. Just finishing up. I think this is my last bolt. Put this back up on here. Just gotta force it up. Find a good angle. There we go. Throw this bolt back on. 18. It was just for clearance to get the pipes on. Looks pretty sweet. Where'd my wrench go? Alright, that's it. Everything's tight. Except for the tips. Forgot about the tips. Let's throw these tips on. Alright, just wrap this up. These tips are a pain in the ass because you have to tighten the shit out of that bolt. But other than a few minor mistakes and redos, that's all she wrote. clear. Let's get a good run right here, baby. I'm only running 18 psi right now because my, as you can tell with all that smoking, the turbo seals, no blame. They still fucking rip, I'll tell you what. engine, I probably have some burbles on. But that shit would blow the turbos right off the this shit, A1, baby. Oh my god, bro, this shit is insane. I mean, dude, mufflers fucking delete the world, bro. Fuck vrsf and whatever everybody else thinks, honestly, bro. Maybe it's just because I'm just now doing it after years, but why did I fucking wait so long? Neighbors are not gonna like me anymore. That's a wrap.